Let's move on to setting up street lighting. Create a new folder for outdoor lights. First, make the light bulbs a little warmer. Now they look more natural. Adjust the position of landscape lights. Create a point light. Place it above a landscape lamp. Set the temperature. Adjust the intensity. Decrease attenuation radius. This will improve performance. Turn off cast shadows in the light source settings. This will remove its own shadow from the lamp and also reduce the load on the system. Now it remains to remove the noticeable light in the upper part of the landscape lamp from a point light source. Select a landscape light. In the settings, find the Light Channels tab. Change the light channel to 1 and disable channel 0. Now the light from the point light source does not affect the landscape lamp object. By default, all objects in the scene and lights have 0 lighting channel. When changing the channel of the object to 1, I excluded it from lighting. Adjust the temperature of the light. Set up the other landscape lights in the project in the same way. Let's move on to the facade lighting settings. With these light sources on the facade, I would like to see cast shadows. Turn on cast shadow on the point light. Place it inside the geometry. When the point light is inside, the light does not pass through the glass. To fix this, I need to change the glass material settings. Go to editing the parent glass material. Select material. On the left panel, turn off Cast Retrace Shadows. Apply the changes. Now the light passes through the glass, and the frame of the lamp geometry casts shadows. Adjust the other lamps on the facade in the same way. In this place I didn't put a light source, since sunlight enters here and the work of artificial light will not be noticeable. Now let's move on to setting up the light on the terrace. I will also make the light from the chandelier using point light. Adjust the light color of the bulbs to make them warmer. Use point light to illuminate the bar area. Turn off the reflection of light sources in specular surfaces using the specular scale parameter. Let's move on to creating facade lighting using spotlight. Create a spotlight. Adjust its position. Set up light sources. Use the IS profile. Since this light source illuminates only the facade plane, there is no need to spend system resources on shadow calculation. Disable Cast Shadow. Place light sources on the facade. Let's move on to creating a decorative light that will only be visible from the outside of the building. Create a new folder. Use point lights to create a warm feel light in the rooms, so that the light in the windows looks natural from the outside. Don't worry about those lights. Next, I'll show you how to set up the project so that they disappear when the user gets inside.
It's not a game, it's a rage thing.
Finish up with outdoor lighting.